Hello and welcome to Sellaripatti channel. On today's video, we are going to look at some of the most amazing and beautiful tiaras worn by queens and princes in the realm of royalty and nobles. Throughout history, men and women of status having the drawn on their forehead with various kind of crowns and tiaras, which symbolizes the social superiority and power. The fashion is wearing precious tiaras has fluctuated with history and tandem with society, but he has not vanished, and downfall of many European monarchies might have diminished with importance. But curiously, the notation of elitism and dream of being princess even for one day has continued to seduce the generations, and tiara has remained in fashion in its classical styles and well in the new art form. Let's see number 10. Best Royal Watches instantly recognize the glittering of diademas. Queen Mary's Lover's Knot Tiara. Tiara was commissioned by Queen Mary in 1913 from Britain House of God. It consists of diamonds in the collection of 10 hanging pearls, all set in silver and gold. Later, it was handed down to the Queen Elizabeth. She then eventually gave it to her daughter-in-law, Princess Diana. It was through Diana became one of the most recognizable pieces of jewelry belonging to the British royal family. She famously betrothed with a white pearl-encrusted Catherine Walker ensemble while visiting the Hong Kong in 1999. As it is possible to state, Kate Middleton didn't wear the Lover's Knot tiara for the first few years of her royal. 10 years on her wedding, Kate Middleton wore a copy of Halo tiara. Then for other formal occasions, most notably at the state dinner for Chinese President Xi Jinping sheet on the lotus flower tiara. However, in December 2015, through all the lovers, not fair that he has the diplomatic description. Immediately comparison to the Diana were made since then. It became the Duchess informal headwear of choice. Let's see number 9. Nice for little sister Mary. These cast and crew team emerald and diamond tiara, which was designed and executed by the French Royal Jewelleries, Ebert in Frederic Patterson. 219 was a masterpiece of French jewelry craftsmanship of the early 19th century, with over thousands of diamond in silver and 40 emerald in gold. Louisiana survived the French Revolution and was hidden away together with other royal treasures. Eventually, the tiara was sold in an auction to the English aristocrat. It was on the display. The silver and gold lines of the settings are clearly visible in the photograph of the tiara at the Albertson Victoria Museum for several years, until the owner of the celebrated tiara successfully negotiated a deal with the Louvre Museum, Duchess Dangling Murray Street, Charlotte, to survive the French Revolution, finally became the property of Louvre Museum. Where is this play today? The Ligny Aquamarine Tiara, tiara that comes as courtesy of Belgian noble house of the Lin family, holds their title for centuries, but this tiara is thoroughly a modern addition to the extended family jewelry collection. In 2009, Prince Edward married Italian actress Isabella Rossellini. This beauty diamond and aquamarine, this is popular, which was created by human features a large central aquamarine by small aquamarines. And because this is a piece also incorporates the diamond script LS has a major feature of design. Isabella also wore aquamarine earrings to coordinate with their delight. Number 7. The universal themes of nature: strength, beauty, femininity, and unity. The universe 2009 began life like this an inspiration. The designers were asked if the crafting the extraordinary, embracing the values of Miss Universe, and translate them to diamond-studded crown that represents the ambition, diversity, community, and beauty. List the order came to life in a meticulous process that combines the artistry and creativity vision using the technology to craftsman and the expertise to source and polish the diamond to highest stamp. Was named the power of unity. It is meant to celebrate two women for being complex, diverse, ambitious, and strong. The interconnected lines motifs. Sorry, I mean to represent the community of the women from around the world, whose band unite them and remind us that we are stronger than apart. Number 6. This is beautiful. The artist from the collection of Prince Catherine, a Heckel von Dommersmark in 1900. I think this is difficult to exaggerate the importance of this emerald. This is undoubtedly the greatest roll of original famous stones. 11 of them perfectly match. On what is extraordinary is that if you want to describe it to someone, what color is the great emerald is? He would point to the stone. They like the green berries. It's what is known as the old mine material. The emerald itself is absolutely remarkable. It is estimated that the weight to be well over 500 carats, which is a huge amount. They would have been mined and Calabar probably in the 16th century, and they would have been traded with India. The emeralds are typically of the way of wearing emeralds in India. In 17th century, cutting the cable bibes and characters will be drilled among main axes with the robin chick drill holes. So one can easily imagine that this could worn around the neck by a Maharaja or a prince, and they subsequently find its way into the France. In the turn of 19th century, in European history, glamorous and more abundant than the better part of the end of 19th century prince. Guido Heckel von Dommersmark, time the richest man in the German and one of the richest men in Europe. In 1987, he married to Russian that has two cracked Catherine strips. This tiara was commissioned for her as a gift down smart commission. It's typically of the late 19th century. Very delicate garden form and started with this logic ocean tail yellow diamond. Number 5. Queen Alexandra's tiara. There are so many reasons to love Queen Alexandra's. It's an ugly classic tiara from the design perspective. It's an electrical ball of diamonds. It has fascinating reminder for electric backstory. Then after it was seen by her sister, Queen Alexandra, she already knew she wanted on her wedding day 1988. The London Museum of Tragedy, Alexandra's anniversary present a Coco Chanel design tiara made by the Royal Jewelleries of House of Gallet. Like marine folder of nose tiara, the piece was made of individual pave-set bears of Alexandra's fingers, with more rounded at the tip. Alexandra's cosmic features. 77 of these French pieces are entirely all they was packed with more than 400 diamonds. When Alexandra wore the diadem of the 1893 wedding affair, second son, the Duke of the York, later king, George V and Prince Mary of Teck in portraits taken on the day. The flexibility of the tiara is apparent, the fingers are not punched tightly. Together the spaces are visible between the braces. Alexandra appeared to have used enough that you will probably bracelet to help gather the fingers together. When Queen Alexandra died in 1925, the piece quickly became the central part of Elizabeth's jewelry collection, variety hours, and then the masterpiece. Today's tiara definitely one of the most stunning tiara in the collection of extended British royal family. The IRA was given to Prince Louis. The Prince Louis is the granddaughter of Queen Victoria, and she was the eldest daughter and third child of Albert Edward, Prince of Wales. Number 4. Variety hours and then the masterpiece, today's tiara. Definitely one of the most stunning tiara in the collections of extended British royal family. The IRA was given to the Prince Louis. Prince Louis is the granddaughter of Queen Victoria, and she was the eldest daughter and third child of Albert Edward, Prince of Wales, and Prince Alexandra to become the Edward VII and Queen Alexandra. The fifth tiara is made of an extremely delicate frameworks, and it contained diamonds ranging in weight from 10 to 10 carats. It was made in 5 pieces and most like one. The tiara is extraordinary and its construction silver in the front and gold in the back, and all of the 200 carats of diamond beautifully cuts while being presented in nothing less frameworks. But that's really extraordinary in Vitani pivots in which the bear-shaped diamond are presented, and they would have caught the light when Louis structure with 5-4 on it. Number 3. Thessalian Aquamarine Tiara. Most of the sparkling tiaras worn by the Queen Elizabeth of the United Kingdom world legacies from queens and princes past, but few of them peep in hand-picked, all commissioned by the Queen herself. Today, this tiara, the Brazilian aquamarine created by the Queen, as possible of holding the pattern of pupils. The Brazilian aquamarine start with it begin with necklace and pair of earrings. These diamonds are aquamarine pieces presented to the Queen in 1953 by the Brazil President to the coronation gift on behalf of the people of Brazil. By 1957, the Queen had also commissioned the Garrett to make a tiara to match the aquamarine. The Bank Padora gift chicken elaborate the diamond and aquamarine band with 3 aquamarine diamond elements placed in the interval. The Queen has warned that the art of fairly consistency, since it's over, even though it's not of the tallest and most imposing diadem in her collection. The last time we saw her wearing the tiara in public work during the Commonwealth Head of Government meeting in Australia in October 2011. Number 2. Queen Victoria and Prince Albert shared love of art and design resulted in many of exquisite treasure, including the jewelry like a satellite or emitted a oriental circlet. Albert has such a standard range is everything for me. About my jewelry, Victoria wrote this in Gaelic, inspired to emerald and diamond tiara. Is another example of piece personally designed by Prince Albert. It commissioned in 1845 from the London jewellery Jessie for £1,150. The tiara of full-shaped diamond in step-cut emerald, stopped by the graduated roll of 19 to 30 pear-shaped emerald. The largest and the roadway in the 15-carat Meteora completed in pattern of emeralds and diamond previously gifted to the Queen by her husband, including the necklace with 9 clusters of emerald surrounded by cooking-shaped diamonds. Set of pendant earrings and the brooch features a 20 carat of emerald Queen Victoria was thrilled with her emerald tiara, GIF referred to. It is a lovely diadem of diamonds and emerald designed by my beloved Albert and writing of her husband's wonderful taste in her. The family is allowed tiara to be shown on exhibition, and of course, it is just not loaded on a long-term basis to Victoria revealed exhibition at Kensington Palace alongside the fifth tiara and Fifi Finch tiara. The rest of the emerald tablets is also shown already and waiting for your administration. It already has mine. This is one of my absolute favorite piece of magnificent. Now comes the number 1. The unique emerald tiara was made by the Harry Winston in 1958 in advance of the marriage of Shah of Iran and Father Teva, much like known a tiara which was made in the same time frame for the same purpose. It includes a mix of diamond colors and imported old stones from Iranian crown collection. The heart-shaped faces made of arroyal platinum and pink, yellow and white diamonds. The brilliance of thought to be formed in 19th century in Indian and origin the largest 2 of 15 carat apiece. Top is set with 7 large oval and round probably South America before 1738. When they did, she invaded India. The emeralds range in size from 10 carat each for the 2 smallest, 265 carats for the largest central stone and after. And the diamonds to be from the South Africa. Let's see how to make a pina signature piece for the Express, but it belongs to the Crown Jeweler collection and as such did not come with her when the imperial family fled the country in 1979. While they are no longer warm, but you will lose as safe and sound and available for public viewing at the Treasury of National Jewel in the Central Bank of Islamic Republic of Iran. I hope you had a wonderful time of viewing some of the most beautiful tiaras made for the royalties, noble and French entry. It was a great pleasure. Have a wonderful day. The one who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to view more information. Thank you.